Let's look at this question. The solid in the diagram is made up of the right prism with the square base and the right pyramid on the top of the prism. The length of the prism is 12 centimeters. That's the length here. It's 12 centimeters. The length of the prism is from here to here. And the side of the base is 6 centimeters. That's the 6 centimeters. And the height of the pyramid is 8 centimeters. This 8 centimeters is the height, which is also inside here. It goes to the center. So it's 8 centimeters here. Let's say calculate the slant height of the triangular face of the pyramid. So the slant height is the distance outside here. That is the slant height. So remember that this goes all the way to here. Indicate to you what we mean by slant height. Because we have a height inside, this height goes to the center, so it's perpendicular, so it goes here. So we're talking about the slant height is the distance outside here. That is the slant height. So now this is 8. Remember, now this goes to the center, so mean that this distance here is 3 centimeters. The slant height, we deal with the theorem Pythagoras, so we can just call it a small letter height. It is equals to adjacent squared plus opposite squared, which adjacent I can just call it as 3 squared plus I'll take 8 squared. Then now which I have 9 plus 64, which is 73. Okay, 73. So I do the square root of 73. So the slant height is the square root of 73, which is root 73 centimeters. That's a distance here. There's a calculate the area of the cone, calculate the area of one of the rectangular faces. Okay, the area here of the one of them. So now beginning with the area of one of them, that the surface area, which is 1/2 base times perpendicular height. So with this, considering the surface, we deal with the slant height. So it's 1/2. The base is 6, and the height is 7/73. So which this we're just going to say this is 12.2. Let's go to say it's 1/2 into 6 into root of 73. Root of 73, which that the one triangle is 3 root 73. The same calculate the surface area of the solid, which is total surface area of the slant faded, and the area of the right prism. Now the right prism, now remember, because this is joined here, that means that there's no this side, so we can talk about the area of the base here, which is only 1, and area of these heights here, which is 4 of them, times the area. So area of the slanted face, so how many are they? There are 4. So we're gonna say the total surface area, it is times 3 root 73 plus, we deal with the surface area of square, which is 6 squared, plus, now this is the base of the prism, plus 4 times the area of this prism, which is 12/6. So in other words, what we're dealing with, the base as one shape, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the other 4 sides. This is the area of the prism. So this shape you consider it to be open, because the shapes they're joined. So it's 4. We just going to substitute 4 into 3 root into 3. 4 times 3 root 73 plus 6 squared plus 4 times 12/6, which this is going to be 406.53 centimeters squared, because of the surface area. Or we can even take this piece by piece to say is the area of the base plus the area of the walls of the prism. So this will be the base here, plus the area of the walls, which is 4 sides, L times B, or L times A, which is the height, plus the 4 sides of the pyramid, the 4 sides of the pyramid. So that question.